Guys, may package tayo. Try nating open to. Natin po yung laman nito.
Did you order this?
No, mommy ordered it.
But why opening it? Mommy told you can open it?
Yes.
How about this one?
No.
Okay.
Only
Let's
this one.
see.
Open it. Ayala.
What's this for?
What's this? It's heavy.
So heavy. Let me see.
Ganito to. Ano to? Uy! Portable power station.
What is the power station for?
Mukhang kailangan i-charge to.
What do we need the power station for?
What?
What's the power station for?
So that we can charge
Charge what?
at the camping.
Charge our phones?
Yes.
Oh yeah. I hope mommy brings the iPad.
No.
But I said we should do charge our iPads at the camping.
Yeah. If we're going to bring it, but if not, it's going to charge my phone.
Yeah, I depend.
Oh, don't play with it.
I nearly need to depend on your phone.
Hold on the box.
Look,
Okay.
this instruction.
Yes. There's instruction. Oh, ang ganda naman. Yung ready na for camping.
Yeah. USA.
Ganda na. Kung kailangan i-charge muna to. Ganda naman na itsura nito. Okay. Okay then. Ella, say bye-bye na.
Bye.
Okay then. Bye-bye.
A few moments later.
Guys, nagagamit na ni Ella and Kaden ang bagong bili. Ayaw niya daw katabi ang kuya niya. Ayun guys, nakasunod na si Tito. Alam niya nang it's pooping time with Daddy. Ay, 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 ay. Oh, nagpa-float daw si Ella. Ay, may pa-heart. You say hi ka dreamers.
Hi, Katimas.
Hello po sa taga California. Ganun lang si Daryl. Uy, hindi oh.
One eternity later.
Tulog na tayo.
Ayan guys, pupunta na kami sa Regina Beach. Ayan guys, dumi pa din ang windshield namin kasi kagala pa kami. Pero bukas papakarwash ko na siya. So pupunta tayo ngayon sa Costco muna pag-gas bago tayo lumarga. Punta tayo ng Regina Beach after work. Ayan, sinusulit natin ang bawat araw. Para ano. Look, okay then. There's lots of ano yun? Foxtail.
A few moments later.
Grabe sa init guys. O, si Ella. Nakatulog na. Ala, nasunog na yung anak mo, Daryl. Guys, convoy na kami. Dito ko na lang sa taas iano kasi masyadong madumi yung windshield. No, Daryl? Grabe. Dumikit. Ay. Oops, may bata. Hindi naman binubuksan. Hindi naman binubuksan ng nanay. Ala, ayaw.
The father of the family, his name is Daryl. Mother is Joanne, and she is my friend. Their daughter is Ela, and she is a star. Their son is Caden, and he's
So, tingnan nyo. Ang ganda talaga. Parang ang sarap humiga sa damuhan. Damuhan? Hindi yan damo. Ano yan? Kanola? Hindi yata. Iba yung tsura na. Green na green naman to. Basta correct nyo na lang ako guys kung ano yan. Hindi ko na alam. So, tignan na lang natin ang view. Super ganda. Ngayon lang ulit kami babalik sa Regina Beach. No? It's been a while. Ano natin ang Lumsden? You guys, are you excited? Yeah? Okay. Ay, may pa-heart pa yun sa kanina. Naiya akong i-share yung front, ano naman, front view kasi nga ang dumi ng windshield. Sorry na po. Side na lang tayo dito. Ay, grabe. Kasi mayroong ano, may silaan yata. Ito na silaan sila. Ang baho. Ano yung gulong? Brake natin? Ayan na. Sobrang ganda. Canola siya guys. Ganyan yan. Golden. Yeah. Baka canola din doon, Daryl. Hindi pa lang siya namumulaklak. Late na sila. Nagtanim kasi nga maulan dito last time. Kung sa atin sa Pilipinas, palay, no?
Ayaw, parang yan.
Yan nga din, di ba? Ang sarap never pa tayong nakapagpa-picture sa ganyan. Picture nga tayo. Starts at 40! Hey! Kama naman! Daryl! Ayaw ni Daryl, maging masaya ka dahil nag-start ang life sa 40. Diba, Tita Ever? Misto! Ayan guys, sobrang ganda. Hindi crowded. Talaga yung mismo yung parang pinaka-ano na nila, no? Dahil meron na silang cannabis dun. Tapos dito na yung ice cream, nandito na open. Ayan, ice cream. Papagastos na naman tayo. Dito siya nagpo-park. Susundan na lang namin siya. Dito siya nagpa-park pala eh.
Parang malapit na.
Hindi yung gaganon ka pa doon.
Ano,
Ito na yon, Daryl?
Hindi yung kabira.
O baka nandyan si ano? Anish. Anish. Ayan. Ay, naka-shades pa! Dito na tayo ka. Wow! You miss each other?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ang cute ni EJ magtagalog. Ayan. Kakain ka ulit, Ate S. Yan ang sinasabi ko na nga ba. Oh, come here, girls. At least di naman. Nung last time, ate, breakfast naman kami nung mga year 2024. Breakfast. Ito, hindi.
Ay, puti pala yung balot.
O yan, ang daming baon ni Ate Ems.
Gusto yan, pero ibang klaseng ano,
Ah,
balot.
makikikain lang kami.
Balot na, parang yan yung, yun yata yung bagong packaging nila.
Ay, talaga, hindi luma na yung nabili ko, yung nasa karton.
Oo.
Luma yon? Yan guys, ito na yung food natin. Ang sarap. Thank you, Ate Ems!
Kitten, you want? Hi, Ella. What are you doing? Are you putting water? Huh? Water. Wow. Oh, get water. Okay, put water. Put water. Alright. Slowly. Hey. Woo! Whee! Wow. Are you cold? Are you cold now? What are you going to do? Oh. Are you going to build? What happened, Ella?
I say hi, Kadrimas. Are you having fun with the food?
Yeah.
Thank you, Tita Ems. You say thank you.
You do the arms.
Oh, yan guys. Dito kami ngayon. Daming food, oh.
Ayan si Kaden, ayaw magsuot ng ano, pang swimsuit. Yung brief lang siya. Oh, go play, Ella. Get your bucket. Hey, it's okay. Oh, go na. It's okay. Wow, water. Ooh. Now, don't be scared. It's just water. Ooh, you're going to get wet. Ooh. It's okay, we will get it later, okay? Later. Yeah. Naglalaro na si Kaden. Wala, nainggit. Ayaw kasi pinagsusot ko ng pang swimsuit. Ngayon, wala. Treat lang. Ito nag-rebuild daw. Tunnel. Building tunnel.
What is that?
They're building tunnel?
So I'm building my own lake.
Oh, your own lake. Oh, ayan oh.
And I'm calling
Oh,
it.
here. This one.
I want to call it Lake Regina.
Lake Regina?
Yeah. Because we're in Winter Beach, right?
Yeah.
How can we call it other lake?
Yan, nakatampisaw na doon, no? Okay, move aside. Yan. Oh, it's coming inside na. Oh. More. Okay. Oh. Oh, it's getting here na. Depends on how strong the wave. Ay, mag-best friend. Oh. Tampasaw na lang doon. Oh. Ay, nahabol. Ah.
Daddy! Oh no, what's it called?
What? Here. On the other side.
One eternity later.
Ayan na guys, nakapagbanlaw
Gusto
na.
mo pumunta tayo doon? Doon, oh.
Saan? Pwede. Oh, may nakukuha sila?
Oo.
What? Tara, punta tayo doon. Pabalik na kami. Ayan guys. Lumilipad talaga.
Take the bird, guys.
Why? Ha?
Yeah.
Ay naku. You fall? Where?
Yeah.
Ate, pahingi nga ako na... Ay.
Hindi, kanina pagkatapos nun.
Oo.
Nag-aabang sila eh.
Bakit?
Ako nagpapagay.
Oy, kahit na. Ano pa din eh. Oh. Doon ka na lang makiihi.
Saan?
Doon oh, dyan sa resto.
Kakain ba ako?
Sa ano? Sa... Nagasa din lahat?
We always have our dreams and we always have each other and a home in Canada.
Ayan guys, pauwi na tayo. Alas ano na, 8:15 na. 8:15 sarado na yung mga washroom dito. So, yan. May pulis pa, no? Yan.
17 kilometers.
Balik na tayo ng Regina. From Regina Beach.
Why is this called Regina? Where's the Regina Beach? Way far from Regina.
I don't know too. But it's nice, hey? Guys, ang ganda ng pink sky. Pink na medyo orange na ewan. Dito na lang tayo sa side kasi madumi yung ano. Paano na kaya tayo? Uulan ba ngayon? Pa-car wash.
Paano yung mga bag?
Ha?
Car wash na hand wash. O yung sasakyan.
O saan tayo? Eh di dun tayo sa ano?
Saan yung merong
Aspen.
ganun?
Ay, dun sa ano? Shell.
Shell ba o yung Petro Canada?
Eh, yun dun malapit kina Ate Ems yun.
Yung Petro Canada.
Oo. Di sana doon na lang pala tayo.
Layo pala ba?
One eternity later.
Guys, habang nagluluto tayo. Uy, tapos na si Ella maligo. Nangitim. Mag-lotion ka later, ha? Ayan. Na-sunburn. What will you say to Atina?
Thank you, Tina.
And Tita Ems?
Thank you, Tina.
One. Oh, what's that? Open mo muna yan. Okay.
Nagtaas na ng gale warning ng pag-asa sa northern and eastern seaboards of Luzon at eastern seaboard ng Visayas dahil sa sipon ng Inday. Inaasahan ng malalaking alon na delikado lalo sa mga sasakyang pagdang.
Yes.
Sila ng biyahe
What's that?
sa hindi bababa sa 10 probinsya
Sorry,
sa
I
bansa.
needed
Kabilang dyan ang biyahe ng
Oh, it's K-pop Demon Hunter. What will you say? That's your favorite, hey?
company na rin ang nagkansela ng biyahe ng
Shorts.
I hope everyone.
Then too, this is also who is this?
I don't know.
I don't know. Oh, grab one more.
Ang problema yung pabalik dito.
Don't look. Close your eyes. It's just... What's that?
This is a
Show it to ka-dreamers. Wow! Oh, what will you say? Another one.
I
Grab it
think
again.
it looks like it's from Japan.
Wow! A dress again. Oh, what will you say?
Landslide and flooding. And hindi rin po namin inaalis yung dati na pong nagamit siya. Tulad po ng
What's that?
This is a woman dance mommy.
Rosie!
I was so excited. It is so spooky. So it's actually really here.
It's boomy hair.
You're excited? I see.
Gave me this. What's
Yeah.
It looks like
It's a notebook or a sticker book.
yeah, it looks like it came from Japan.
Happy yarn.
It looks like it came from Japan.
Thank you, Tina.
And
Thank you, Dan.
you're so kilig.
Yeah, and I like this one, and this is the one, and this is boomy hair.
Oh.
Kajimas.
Oh, show your gifts. Oh, what's that?
This is something, and I'm gonna take it out. The inside.
Oy, labas na demo, girl.
I cannot open it.
Show it. Wow!
Ella likes it.
Next,
This is another
show the other one.
Let's see.
Ay, sis. Kinilig yarn.
Then I show boomy hair.
Wow, we're gonna fix your hair tomorrow.
Yeah.
Ella will put the
And ta-da!
Wow.
This too?
You want to try that?
Yeah.
Oh, go try. Try that one.
Hello, Kajimas. Look at this.
Look at Ella's dress. Oh, di ba? Happy yarn.
The father of the family, his name is Daryl. Mother is Joanne, and she is my friend. Their daughter is Ela, and she is a star. Their son is Caden, and he's really smart. The Estradus family.